The first label we will add is the title label. We can do this by either double-clicking on the Sheet tab and typing a new name, or by double-clicking on the title within the Sheet view and changing the title in the pop-up window. When you edit the title using the pop-up window, be aware that removing the words Sheet Name will disconnect the dynamic link from the words in the Sheet tab. One advantage of changing the title using the pop-up window is that you can add additional words to appear in the title, but not in the sheet name. Once a visualization has been created, it's possible to change the title of the axis. To do this, select the axis and right-click to show a menu with options. Select Edit Axis option to bring up an editing window. Within this window, there's a place to edit the axis title, which will update automatically. In visualizations such as column charts, the visual details are not automatically labeled. To label the visual details, we will use the Marks pane. Drag quantity from the data pane and release it over the label option in the Marks pane. This adds the numeric values for quantity next to each column in the data visualization. We can also drag product category from the data pane onto the label option in the Marks pane to add this information to the visualization. If we change this visualization into a pie chart, we can add labels in a similar way. First, we can drag quantity from the data pane onto the label option in the Marks pane. Next, we can move product category from the data pane onto the label option in the Marks pane. In order to see everything better, we will select Entire View from the Fit control in the toolbar. This will make the pie chart easier to review with the labels added. Now let's look at a multi-set column chart. Drag quantity from the data pane onto the label option in the Marks pane. Tableau will automatically label the multiple columns with the correct data. Returning to the column chart visualization, we can improve this by adding some color. We can add color by dragging quantity from the data pane onto the color option in the Marks pane. This will produce shades of color to indicate lower and higher quantity values. We can remove these colors by dragging the quantity pill for color away from the Marks pane. Now we can move product category from the data pane to the color option in the Marks pane. This produces a different result. Each column for the visualization has a different color corresponding to a product category. Also, a legend has been added to the sheet on the right side. This technique is even more effective for multi-set column charts. When we drag delivery from the data pane to the color option in the Marks pane, each delivery method column within the different product is colored. This makes the visualization easier to understand.